Hey guys, Mike Martins here with the Mike Martins channel. Thanks for joining, liking, and subscribing, being part of the channel. Guys, this vacant or empty city or hollow city, cities and turning into empty shells, I think it's a real deal. I know we've been talking about cities turning into empty shells and people can't afford to live in their own cities, so they're forced out to the suburbs and blah, blah, blah. It's been a theory we've had on this channel for over 15 years. But when you come to see it in real life and actually come to check it out for yourself and see what it is, here it is. I'm in downtown San Francisco. You would think there'd be people sleeping on these benches. You would think there'd be people sitting around. It's kind of drizzly. I've been out here all day. Came out here earlier with my flip-flops and t-shirt, walking up and down this major thoroughfare all the way down to the whole Ferris wheel thing. And I really enjoyed my time here with my family. The city is completely spotless. Spotless. I haven't seen. I still haven't seen a single homeless person here. It's spotless. It's green. It's clean. There's no garbage anywhere. And here it is, folks. It's all the streets. Like, not a lot of people. It's been very quiet. And I did end up speaking to someone today. I spoke to a gentleman today over by the Ferris wheel, and he's been living here for a couple of years from Mexico. And I asked him, I said to him, hey man, where's everybody? He's like, you know what? As of January, February, a lot of people just started leaving. I go, oh, you mean moving to the interior? Or moving upstate? Or moving out east? Wagons east? No, he basically was letting me know that a lot of people just picked up and just left. A lot of people left and went back to Central, South America, even China. He said there's several people he knew, workers that were working in one of the ferry areas that were assembling hardware for ships and stuff. A lot of them just self-deported or just left the country. Now, I wanted to ask you guys this. How many people are like legally allowed to live in the United States? Okay, because I was in multiple cities here in the United States so far on my trip, and I'm noticing this empty city syndrome. It's weird. Yeah, people are getting pushed out of the cities, but I want to show you guys this thoroughfare here I've been walking up and down. Okay, this main one here. And I've walked the 3.5 or 2.5 miles, I think it was, up and down to this park, to the coast. And I walk all the way down to the Ferris wheel, all the way down. And I wanted to make a video up there, closer up there, up in this area, way up there. I wanted to make a video for you guys. But every time I try to make a video, I keep getting into trouble with like copyrighted music in the background, full blast coming from the stores. But there's my family right there. There's my wife and kids. Hey guys, wait up for me. I'm just making a video. Okay, the pharmacy? Okay, they're going to the pharmacy there. I'm afraid to walk up that way because there's like music playing, and along that thoroughfare there with where the Ferris wheel and Fisherman's Wharf is, it's just music blasting, trying to attract people to come into their stores, and it's all empty. There's people, but there's not. Oh, it's cold out. No, it's not. It's actually like 17, 18, 19 degrees. It's nice. It's like little drizzly, but it's a nice drizzly. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, guys. This empty city theory that I have, just trying to make sense of it is all. Buddy did tell me that people are leaving. A lot of people have left. How many people are legally working here? Are people allowed to be here? How much of America was seriously undocumented? I want to know. The reason why I'm asking this is because I tried to come here to become an American. I made sure I wasn't stealing an American's job. I had money in the bank. a place in my name, a corporation to sponsor me, which was very important, which I did. I had pretty much everything done by the book. And it just doesn't make any sense. They said, no, you can't come here. After a police background check, a health check, I mean, everything you could possibly do. Look at this, man. We're the homeless people. We're the homeless people. I don't know what's going on, folks. It's March break. I would feel or believe, or you would think there'd be more people here. Today was 18 degrees. I was walking around in flip-flops up and down, just enjoying myself. Anyways, guys, I'm going to keep reporting, investigating what's going on. Hopefully I can find someone I could talk to or reach out to here. I did speak to a few people here, but people have this fear of speaking about ICE and migration and immigration. And, you know, I feel that they may think I'm some sort of an agent trying to get the down low on where these people are hiding. But San Francisco is a sanctuary city. And if it's a sanctuary city for migrants, because they state they are, and they protect all migrants from any culture they're from or wherever they are in their status, where are they? Where are these people? Right? Like these major, I gotta be careful because there's music playing over there. And once YouTube catches music on my thing, they shut me right down in a heartbeat. They shut me right down in a heartbeat. And, you know, I don't know, guys. Same thing here. Be careful with the music because I'm going to get shut down. But empty cities, or cities turning into empty shells. You got the traffic, you got the cars coming around, but where are the people? I don't know. Maybe I'm losing it. Maybe it's not adding up. Maybe the Earth's population isn't as big as they force you to believe it is. Heck, there's so many things. There's just so many things. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna keep reporting for you guys, figuring out what's going on. Beautiful place, spotless, clean. Garbage. Been up 12, 13, 24 blocks. I haven't seen a single homeless person. Where are they? Anyways, Mike Martins here reporting from San Francisco. Look forward to reading your comments below. Am I just overreacting here, or am I just at the wrong place at the wrong time? Am I losing it? Mike Martins here. I have spoken.